Hello and welcome back, my dear students, parents, and teachers. Every day is a chance to learn something fun and new. We all know how crucial play is for our young learners. Today, we're stepping into a colorful world with our color sorting game. Before we get started, a quick note about our Patreon page. Your support means a lot to us. It allows us to keep making fun games like this, and if you join, you'll discover even more activities for learning. Alright, let's dive into the color sorting game. Here is how it works. Open the PowerPoint presentation. Click on Slideshow in the top menu. Choose either Play from Start or Play from Current Slide to begin your game. Watch as a color drop appears on the screen. Your task is to match it to its correct color by clicking the right button: red, green, yellow, or blue. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can continue the game as instructed. After sorting, press Next and continue with the game. Playing this game is a delightful way for kids to recognize and pick out different colors. Dive in, explore, and let the world of colors guide your learning journey. Always remember, every game is a new adventure in learning. Stay curious, my friends, and see you next time!